We're in the back of a taxi in Shenzhen, China, but let me show you something crazy. No driver. Full automated taxi system. It's got like a big R2D2 on the top. Scans everything. Look at this. Look, we're changing lanes. We're going fast as well, cuz. Look at this.
Please don't open the door.
Pulling over here. Beautiful.
When you arrive, please take your personal belongings
Okay.
and pay attention to the
Thank you. Bye. Oh, that's crazy. Look at it. That's mental. Look at the robot on top.
12 yuan. It's like 2.2 Aussie.
$2.2.
Yeah.
That trip was $2.20. That would have cost us in Australia if they had that. What? $400. Why? Why?